Zhongshan Anjielo Smart Technology Company Ltd. The factory is located in Shirong Intelligent Manufacturing Industrial Park, Zhongshan City, Guangdong Province. A company specializing in the production, processing and sales of smart home, smart security, smart visual building intercom, wireless doorbell and other products. Its products are exported multiple language markets in more than 20 major countries around the world, including Europe, North America, the Middle East, and Southeast Asia. The company has a complete scientific quality management system. It mainly produces villa-type analog video intercom doorbells, smart doorbells, pure digital building LP video intercom doorbells, smart homes, smart security, cloud storage, cloud services, and other electronic. The company a number of appearance pate utility model patent certificate. The company has always adhered to the business philosophy of giving priority to quality, technological innovation, and creating value for customers. Company mission, create value for customers. Company vision, achieve employees and achieve the company. We sincerely invite talented people to work together for common development.